Hi folks, so enjoy this little tip, how to solder near wood and plastic pipes with minimum damage. Quick little tip this. So, we don't want to damage the wood, there's water in it and there's a clip there. One of the first things you can use is cooling gel. This is what refrigerant engineers use in heat pumps and air conditioning units. I always have that at hand, but it's very expensive. I don't always use it. Next is wet tissue, heat mat. These are good, but I always use them as the last minute because at the end of the day, they are expensive, aren't they? And they do transfer heat as well. So we're going to put that on. We're going to put big trowel. Look at the size of that. That's going to protect the heat mat now. So, if you've got water in the pipes, you can't get it out, stick one of these tubes in, like so, excuse Ricky, and give it a squirt, that'll get the water out. Next method, get your U-gauge hose, put your gauge hose in, keep threading it down, and down, and then put your finger over the end, and as you pull it out, you'll have the water in. And now as a quick trick, get a blowtorch, put an end feed elbow over it,